Hey guys, 54HMan here. Sorry if there's a bit noise and the shaking because my dog just hit the chair. So I am going to show you how to really input your codes through Code Manager. So first off, you're going to need Code Manager, and I can't give you the link for this in the description, so I'm sorry about that. But it looks like this little box thing, as I'll expand it. I mean, like, you can expand it so it looks all different. But you're having this left side. This is where you're going to input your codes. Your game ID goes up in the game ID section. So if you're doing Modern Warfare 3, the most common one, it's SM8E52. And I'll put that in the description. And then game name, Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 3. And so yeah, this is how you're going to input your codes. So first off, I'm going to zoom in on this part right here, just on the code section. So in this code, so how to input a code. You're going to see this thing in the bottom left side corner. It's right down here where the cursor is, so I can't really put it up any farther. But it says add a code comment / category in this left side right here. So you're going to click on that, and I guess I'll just do Redbox for this code. And this code does work. I haven't had any problems with it. So I'm just going to type in Redbox, and then you press OK. Now you want to scroll all the way down, and you'll see something that says Redbox. You need to click on that, and in the code comment category name, it should say Redbox. Now, for your code contents, you really need to look on YouTube on working codes. And for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, anything that's after 2/18 of this year, it should work, because that was the last recent patch, and there's a mini patch, but yeah. And then soon you're going to see all these code numbers and stuff. And so you just basically, I want to copy it, and then I'm just going to paste it into the new Redbox code. And so when you have this, you want to say store modifications, and when it says data store, that means you have a code that works. But sometimes codes don't work, a lot of them are bad and stuff. But I want to post all my pretty good codes online. And so, yeah, that's basically it. And that's how you use Code Manager. And then, that's how you use the Code Manager, but to export it, you are going to press Export GCT, click your put it into your codes folder on your SD card, and so make sure you have a folder. It's called the codes. Yeah, guys, sorry about that. I had a disturbance, and so yes, back to how to export your files. There's just going to be a thing at the very bottom of the screen. So if you can't see it, it says Export to GCT. And once again, so you want to do that, and it's going to be whatever your SD card is called. Mine's File D or something, and Disk D. So you want to click that, and you need to have a folder that's called just plain codes, like CODES, just codes. And when you're going to export to GCT, it should say exporting to GCT /codes /removable disk D, or whatever your SD card is. So when you're going to do that, it's going to say, it should say yes, stored successfully, and then that's basically it. And when you load your Gecko, which I will make a video on later, when you load your Gecko OS, all your code should work. And yes, that's basically how to use Ocarina and Code Manager. So yeah, thanks. Please rate and comment and subscribe. Thanks.